Programming is amazing. You can make things with code. Games, websites, and apps all start with code. Learning to code is like getting a superpower. You can make your ideas real with code. Picking the right language is important. It's like choosing a tool. Python is great for beginners. It is easy to learn. JavaScript is good for websites and web applications. Think about what you want to create. Pick a language that fits. Start with the basics. Learn about variables and data types. Write simple programs. Print "Hello World" to the screen. Use an online code editor. It's easy to start coding right away. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Errors help you learn. Practice is key to learning to code. Code every day, even for a little bit. Start with small projects. Build a simple calculator or a to-do list. Solve coding challenges. There are many websites with practice problems. The more you code, the better you'll get. There are many resources to help you learn. Books are great for learning the basics. Online courses offer structured learning. They often have videos and quizzes. Join a coding community. Ask questions and learn from other programmers. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Section 6. Overcoming challenges. Don't give up. Learning to code can be hard. You will face challenges. Don't give up. Everyone struggles at first. Break down problems into smaller steps. Solve each step one by one. Take breaks when you need them. Come back refreshed and ready to learn. Section 7. The power of persistence. Coding is a marathon, not a sprint. Learning to code takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress. Each small step is a victory. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Keep coding. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Section 8. Expanding your horizons. Exploring different areas of programming. Programming has many different areas. You can specialize in one or learn several. Web development is about building websites and web applications. Game development is about creating video games. Data science is about analyzing data and finding patterns. Explore different areas and find what interests you most. Section 9. Conclusion. The future is yours to code. Learning to code is a journey. It's full of challenges and rewards. Embrace the challenge. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be persistent. Practice regularly and never give up. The future is yours to code. Go out there and build something amazing.